call out in the middle of the night, for when else would I hear you? If you pass out in the cold starlight, I could save you if you do. From being an entity that is eased up to the hunter from the prey and now being transformed indefinitely, it is hard. I have diabetes, so I have a lot of sugar problems. But you know what? Today's a new day, and it's another motherfucking day. So you know what? I'm gonna have me a little sugary snack. Matter of fact, I feel like I need to relax a little bit. So you know what time it is, people? We're gonna mix one big old try video into one. Aren't you guys lucky? So if you've been paying attention, I've got a few other videos out. I've just made alcoholic Nutter Butter peanut butter cookies with Nutter Butter and sheepdog peanut butter whiskey. Now, again, that's what I said before. So what do we have here? Oh, what is that? Oh, yeah. Now, the object here, I'm going to eat that, and we're going to say, hey, watch me. Now, at the same time, I have been just bothered by the fact that a lot of people tell me that I just have to try this one drink, and it is Screwball and Dr. Pepper and strawberries and cream. Story is, it tastes like a chocolate covered cherry. So, obviously, so anyway, we're gonna do that, and we're gonna have a little chat. You're gonna watch me, and then I'm gonna talk to you through the whole thing because I really want a chocolate covered cherry, but you know what? Anyway, we're gonna start out with the Screwball first. That way, you guys don't feel me being all funny. All right, sheepdog peanut butter whiskey. I swear it just smells so good. Mm-mm-mm. All right, Dr. Pepper, strawberry, and cream. My eyes just talked to me. It went bloop. All right. What's that old ass song? What do I tell everybody to do if you see me with a jar in my hand? Or if I give you one, I need you to come over. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Now, Dystrovia. Okay. Not a real chocolate covered cherry flavor. So, maybe it'll kick in, just like in the other video. I'm not going to slam it. I want to give it time. But since I'm going to do that, because, well, you know. But anyway, here's going to be the fun part. This here. So, you see this. Now I'm going to compare it to the size of my hand. Now, I'm going to sit here and we're going to watch this. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. You know what? Oh, yeah. Wow. Like for real. Again, no chocolate, chocolate covered fucking strawberry. I don't know what that was from. I don't really have I'm still getting that straight peanut butter taste from it. I know I just ate that right after it or took a bite out of it, whatever. But it almost helps it. It almost helps it. So I'm going to try another piece. Oh, yeah. This is good. Anybody at home ever try this? Yeah. I hope this video is any recognition. Now, I know a lot of you, maybe some of you do. Maybe I might meet somebody new on here I've never met. Hey, friend. Aw, he has a friend. But if you're trying this at home, just watch. Now, I'm going to have to come back here and look. I'm at 6 minutes and 22 seconds. The peanut butter. If you don't like peanut butter, I wouldn't recommend it. This is amazing. Whole cookie gone. I'm just noticing myself in this picture that I'm being videoed in right now. It looks like my eyes are kind of lowered again. Normally, I would say I normally look like that, but wow. This specifically, just, I've only had 2 instances, and this is the second instance, to where I've ate something and let me rephrase this, the vapors from the alcohol that is used to make this stuff is just so intense. It's just up through your nose and everywhere else. Now, this is not some very strong alcohol I've got. I want everybody to understand that. This is not very strong alcohol at all. But it's some good shit. I am very thankful and grateful that I know about it. Now, I like me some sheepdog. One day, maybe I'll have another video. I'll actually get some actual screwball. But until then, hell yeah, sheepdog. Oh yeah. I feel it now. So, like between that and that cookie, I've got that in your eye, across your eye. It's starting to. I could see where this would be a. This will be something nice. Like full real. That is a good combination there. If you happen to have tried all this at home, the peanut butter cookie and that together is kind of good. To me personally, I feel like it's going to make this big combination already in your stomach because it's already made of the same stuff. It's just all made of the same stuff. It's the alcohol, the cookies, and all kind of stuff like that. But seriously, I have this little. And now, mind you, all these videos I'm making, again, I'm sitting down. You don't see me up here doing backflips and shit anymore. Those are different videos. But one way or the other, you know, I think we could call this one about done. So I'm going to say it one more time, and I'll probably say it at the end of every video. I don't like to tell people what the hell to do, but if you want to, like, subscribe, ding that damn dong, and, well, see you next time, guys.